In this chapter, we looked at the powerful UI tools in the Unity editor. We started by assessing platforms and the impact of platforms on UI design. The platform choice often dictates the available screen size and the available controls for the player, which in turn influences strongly the user interface design. From there, we looked at the canvas, the foundation of the UI system in Unity. The canvas holds all the different UI elements and governs how those elements will respond to different display sizes and aspects. The canvas component of the canvas, under the render mode, has three different modes available: screen space overlay, screen space camera, and world space. Screen space overlay will always overlay the camera. Screen space camera maps to a distinct camera, and world space will show up in world space. Additionally, the canvas scaler script will govern the UI scale mode, again depending on the canvas mode chosen. The UI scale mode can be set to constant pixel size, scale with screen size, or constant physical size. And again, these are dependent on the function of the UI and where it sits in the game world. After the canvas, we looked at the power of the Rect transform. The Rect transform governs the anchor point of UI objects and also their pivots, which can be separate. The anchor points can be positioned easily through a set of predefined positions by clicking on the grid icon to the left of the positions. These make it easy to align the anchor points on left, right, top, bottom, and middle, and any combination thereof. We also looked at the anchor points, how to recognize them by their four-arrow design, and how to split them. The Unity editor has a wide range of UI elements available, and we implemented some of them, starting with text, putting in our Select a Character text and Game Over text, and then bringing in images. As a reminder, to use an image in a UI, it must be marked as a sprite. After implementing images, we also looked at putting in a damage fade image and implementing the interaction, dragging the game objects of the UI into the various scripts, such as the Ally Manager and Game Manager. These function like any other game object, can be attached to a script much the way we did with character animations in the setup of the player and non-player characters. If you'd like to implement an ally image, either the dog or the sheep depending on what you've chosen, select that image from the UI folder. That ally image, then, will go into the Ally Manager that's part of the Game Manager object. Drag your ally image into the Ally Image section. It'll be looking for an ally button set to transition of none. In the next chapter, we'll look at actually building our game, first assessing build settings, and then looking at player and quality settings, and finally building our Zombie Toys game. Then, we'll take a look at the available services that the Unity platform offers to monetize and extend and analyze the games we're publishing.